depth of the show really helps expand our thinking. It gives us ideas for markets and places to move into. It gives us a really good sense of where we should be going in the future. From a strategy standpoint, we cannot not be here. This is critical to our growth and for our future. So the IFT show 2018 is where we ought to be, and I love being here.
IFT is one of our best shows. I've been coming for about 8 years. Tony Weber and I attended about 8 years ago, and we've been coming ever since. We exhibit now. We've been doing that for about 5 years.
First show I came to, I believe, was '97 here in Chicago. So kind of feels a little bit like home to me.
A little bit of an accentuated version of it.
We love the IFT because it's comprehensive. All of the food and beverage companies are here. There's great energy. We get to see our customers face to face, and there's conversations that always lead to projects and working together, collaboration.
Customer interaction. The ability to have a booth here, exhibit, allows customers to seek us out. There's good conversation that we find from there. There have been some great opportunities that have been won from that as well, but also the customer base that's in the show itself as well. So getting out, meeting some of our customers that we don't get a chance to see as often as we'd like.
I get to see a lot of my customers that I've had for over 10 years while I've worked at Packard. Just the face-to-face interaction with the customers is always so fun. The events afterwards where you just get to hang out, meet people, get to know people at a deeper level. It's one of my favorite reasons for being at this show. And you get to meet a lot of new faces, people that you normally wouldn't get to meet. So the time here is always well spent.
You also get to see their products hands-on a lot of times, which sometimes you don't get to see. And it just leads to a lot of good discussions with those customers, and in general, can help build those relationships.
Caricatures are amazing because I get to make fun of people and get paid for it. I get to see what their faces look like because they have so many different faces. Some noses are big, some are little, some faces are big, some are little. It's a great time. I get to hear them laugh, and I get to hear all kinds of different stories. Getting to know people is amazing. That's what I really like. Of course, getting paid is nice too.
I have been coming to IFT for a very long time. My first memory of IFT was in Anaheim, California, where we found our first customer to sell ingredients to, and we found our first blending customer. That was almost 29 years ago, so I have a very fond place for IFT in my heart, and have always found it to be a very productive show. This year we're obviously connecting with all the protein customers and extrusion customers, and we continue to find this to be a wonderful place to connect with people that we haven't seen in the year, or make contacts with people that are really important to us, and just to keep those connections alive.
The IFT is just, it's great year after year after year. We'll never stop coming.